Dear birds of heaven, you left us here in pain. 11 little lanterns gone in the burning rain. We hold your tiny names like petals in our hands. The house is full of silence, and we can't understand. Dear birds of heaven, you left us heartbroken. Dear birds of heaven, our prayers stay open. Mourning in grief under a heavy burden, crying your pure soul stolen, yet still golden. Dear birds of heaven, dear birds of heaven, the soot still marks the doorway, the ash still stains the floor. We count the missing laughter and ache for one day more. Your shoes sit by the stairwell, your songs still haunt the room, but love will guard your footsteps beyond the smoke and gloom. Dear birds of heaven, you left us heartbroken. Dear birds of heaven, our prayers stay open. Mourning in grief under a heavy burden, crying your pure soul stolen, yet still golden. Dear birds of heaven,